Namaskar and welcome. You're watching The Awaz and I'm Janvi Parekh with you. Let's have a look on today's Uttarakhand news bulletin. Dhami government to provide free bus facilities on the festive of Raksha Bandhan. The festival of Raksha Bandhan will be celebrated across the country on 22nd August. On this day, sisters tie Rakhi on their brother's wrist. Even after getting married, the sisters get back to their homes to tie Rakhi on their brother's wrist. In such a situation, on the special occasion of festival of Raksha Bandhan, the Dhami government of Uttarakhand is providing free transport service to the women of the state. In this regard, CM Dhami tweeted and wrote that our government has decided to provide free transport service for our sisters on the day of Raksha Bandhan. The women of the state are working strongly in the field of self-employment and our government will do everything possible to promote them. CM Dhami participated in the Raksha Bandhan Milan Samharoh. A brother always looks forward to protect her sister. So does the Uttarakhand CM Pushkar Singh Dhami promised for women of state. CM Pushkar Singh Dhami always tries to connect with people and become a part of their happiness and sorrows. And in the view of that, Dhami participated in an event organized for the festive of Raksha Bandhan. Dhami tweeted, "Today got an opportunity to participate in the program Raksha Bandhan Milan Samharoh organized by the Mahila Morcha. I assure all the sisters of the state that this brother of yours will fulfill all your aspirations." Politics intensified on Kejriwal's statement of making Uttarakhand a spiritual capital. Cabinet Minister Yashpal Arya retaliated. Aam Aadmi Party is also showing its strength in the upcoming assembly elections of Uttarakhand. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal had come to the capital Dehradun this week. During this, Kejriwal said that the state will be made the spiritual capital of Hindus. Now, politics has intensified on this statement given by the Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal. The ruling party BJP has targeted Arvind Kejriwal over this statement. Cabinet Minister and National District in charge Yashpal Arya retaliated, saying that Uttarakhand has already been a spiritual state. Lakhs of people have come here to worship. The state of Uttarakhand has already been a spiritual center. So in such a situation, Arvind Kejriwal should not do the work of misleading the people here. BJP National President JP Nadda's Uttarakhand tour is now final. According to the program received by the state unit of the party, Nadda will reach Jolly Grant on August 20th. He will participate in 11 meetings and programs in Haridwar and Raiwala during his two-day visit on August 20th and 21. A day earlier, it was informed by the party that Nadda would reach on August 19. At the same time, BJP state media in charge Manveer Singh Chauhan told that National President JP Nadda will reach the Jolly Grant Airport on 20th August at 10 am. The Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami, State President Madan Kaushik, Minister of the Government and all the three State General Secretary of the party will receive him. Retired Colonel Ajay Kothiyal gave an open challenge to the BJP Congress, took a dig at statement of former Chief Minister Harish Rawat. Retired Colonel Ajay Kothiyal, the leader of Aam Aadmi Party and the face of CM from Uttarakhand, gave an open challenge to the BJP and Congress. Colonel Kothiyal said that, "You call me for an open debate, I will tell you people how they give employment to the youth." In the press conference held at the state office on Thursday, Colonel Ajay Kothiyal took a dig at the statement of former Chief Minister Harish Rawat, in which Harish Rawat raised a question on the Youth Foundation for providing employment by preparing the youth. Colonel Kothiyal said that Harish Rawat's son himself comes to the camp of Youth Foundation and learns the method of our training. He said that the leaders of both the parties have become upset after Arvind Kejriwal declared Uttarakhand the spiritual capital. Thank you. Keep watching The Awaz for the latest updates.
Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.